1925 Fighting Falcon. We do have a cellar home and a dog in the backyard, so I won't be going into the backyard. Thank you. So we have tile at the entry. Carpet looks new. Vertical blinds. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just make rounds this way. Carpet looks to be in good condition. Upgraded light fixture. Is this a carpet or a rug?
This is a carpet.
This is carpet. Okay, thank you. Hi, puppy. Okay, so we already have the rock in place, concrete patio, and a patio overhang. So very little to be done. And laminate counters. Cabinets look to be in good shape. Okay. Oh, that's a cool light. Okay, light fixture looks good, no rust.
That's a bedroom.
Okay, this is a bedroom. It has a full closet. This is a big room. And nice high ceilings. What's yours? Okay. Shoes off?
Yeah. No.
You sure? Okay. Thank you. Carpet looks good. Okay, so we have a linen closet right at the top of the stairs. I can go into all the rooms, right? I can go into all the rooms?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Sorry. Oh, got it. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. Will do. You might have noticed she was smoking. Oops. And carpet looks good throughout.